So this is all I have discussed. Like first is the volume based attack. In this, you are basically attacking with a large volume. Like you are either sending UDP flood or ICMP flood, and then we are having protocol based attack. In that, you are exploiting the weaknesses in the protocol, like a TCP/IP. And basically, in this, in a protocol based attack, you are doing either sync flooding or you are doing ping of death. In ping, when there is a ping of death, you are basically sending oversized packet that crashes the system whenever it resembled at a particular time. And then we are having application layer based attack. In this, we are having HTTP flood and Slowloris. So these two type of attack you do in application layer based attack, and then these are the three types of DoS attacks we have discussed till now. So let's this is a simple DoS attack, and then after that we are having a distributed denial of a service attack, like DDoS attack, DDoS. So basically, this is known as a distributed denial. Oh, let me write. DDoS is basically known for a distributed denial of a service attack. So a DDoS attack is a advanced form of DOS attack. I will be coming like how to create your own botnet to attack them. So basically, it's an advanced level of a DOS attack. Here attacker come from a multiple system. Like if you are doing a DDoS attack, you are creating a lot of nodes of their devices or a lot of nodes of compromised devices, and then from all the compromised device you are targeting over a single target. So that comes under the DDoS attack. And it is being done by the help of bootnet sometimes, like a hacker. First, a hacker infect a lot of our devices, like thousands of a computer, you can say, or hundreds of a computer, buy some malware and control them remotely to launch a massive DDoS attack on any particular website. So the very famous attack similar to that was done is a GitHub DOS attack that was 2018 wiki. Let me go with the wiki piece. So this was the first attack, GitHub DOS attack 2018. They are not showing. I'm not going on a wiki. There is no page for that. So basically, this attack on 28th February 2018, GitHub performed for a software developer was hit with a DOS attack, and it was blocked by a 1.35 terabits per second. So whenever and lasted roughly for 20 minutes, and all the system went down at that particular time. So that's how the DDoS attack worked. Like even today, we will be trying to send a lot of packets, but I don't think sending this packet. Like if you will be sending this packet for an hour, then the system might be crashes. But for if you send it for a few seconds, there will be no impact of that, and I will be not harming anyone in this particular session. And also, you don't try to harm anyone or don't try to take down any particular website. There are few protections also that you can measure, and I will be discussing after the session. So don't try to harm anyone. So first of all, there is one very powerful tool that is being banned in India also. Like if you can arrange this particular tool from any dark web and all, you can go with that. Like I will be also trying to share this over Telegram. So that is that tool is ISB, Internet Stress Botnet. Like let me go with this wiki page, GitHub page. So on GitHub, this particular tool is also not available, but you need to find this, and I am also searching for them because previously I was having this, but right now I don't even have this. But this is a very damn powerful tool. Like it's a internet stressing botnet. Basically, ISB delivers believed to be a type of a stressing tool used to simulate high traffic loads on any particular server. Like when you launch this tool on any particular server, it will send a large volume of packets, like a TCP packets or UDP packets, to overblame the target, and may also include IP spoofing capabilities, also including that, and it can basically simulate the real world attack pattern for a testing defense. Also, you can also use this for a testing the defense, or either you can use this for attacking over the mainstream servers also. So ISB, like it stands for Internet Stressing Botnet. So this is the only tool I don't have even right now. Like if you purchase the CH-V13, then they provide you this tool. Like if you have CH-V13 modules, and if you have the practical exams permissions, then this ISB .exe file you will be getting into that for permission, and everyone knows what after that they will be doing. So this particular file you get if you are into the CSV13, and otherwise from outside getting into this particular tool is little hard. But yes, if you wish, somehow you can be do that. And after that, one similar tool also is Ultra DDoS. So Ultra DDoS version 2, Ultra DDoS V2. So this particular tool also comes with the CH-V13 module, and that is also very much capable of taking down any server. Like it's likely support multiple attacks vector like UDP flooding, TCP flooding, HTTP based flooding. All this flooding it can be doing. And today we will be using our HP to do this type of flooding. But Ultra DDoS flooding, like these are the software based tool. Like these are the GUI based tool, but whatever tool we can use only is a uh, mm, uh, CLI based tool. So let me go with a GitHub page of this also. So for this GitHub Python script is available, so you can utilize some Python scripts like where it went. Previously, when I was testing this, there was some Python scripts available. Yes, online. Ultra DDoS Python script. Yeah, so this Python script you can install over your system to demonstrate the attack, but don't. These are very harmful tool. Like even if you run this tool for any particular website for 10 to 15 minutes, that website will crash down. Until that website is not like Google and Facebook and any big website. So don't try this script over any particular website to harm them. But yes, these are the tools. I think it's very genuine to discuss that. That's why I'm discussing. And even if I upload this video over YouTube, this part I will be cutting down, like Ultra DDoS too. So don't use this to harm anyone. Like always try to be ethical and don't be very much malicious, because you all know these are very harmful tool. And even if any server crashes with this tool, like because if you are targeting any college level website or any small website, they don't have a team like SOC team to handle these attacks, and they also don't know how to set up the firewalls and all. So once their website goes down, that their business is been completely down. So don't do this attack over any small target. So I hope you will be maintaining some particular and you will be not becoming malicious over this tool. So don't try to harm anyone. And this is
Follow that
alternative.
top bit, right?
Yes, yes, 10 to 15 minutes, and that will be going down. So these are the very powerful tool. Like even I was not able to discuss this Ultra DDoS and even ISB.exe. Like those who are in a CSV13 might be getting this
So,
particular tool and the Ultra DDoS.
sir,
Yes,
is
yes.
the author
No. This not that for like for a lifetime it will be goes down until they don't change their servers, because you have done a server outage there. Every website takes a have a limitation. Like if you are a small business owner, you might be have a server hosting of a 20 GB to 15 GB for your particular website data. And if anyone sends your data over 100 GB on your request of 100 GB on your server website, then you will be not going to survive. Like your website crashes, and for again you need to change your entire server infrastructure. You need to change your hosting provider, and then like even if you are having a shared hosting, then some other website might be infected also if there is a huge number of ultra DDoS attacks over there. That's why this attack is very much. For yes, I will be coming back to the practical part, but this tool I will be not using because this is beyond the class scope. This particular tool you can clone from here after the class and you
sir,
can use it.
please try it for 2 to 3 minutes.
No, I will be not doing that. I will be using HPing today. Like HPing, all the attack like TCP flooding, UDP
Sir,
flooding, ICMP
use
flooding.
this.
So why should I harm anyone right now? After the class, use this. Even if you wish, I can send you all the commands over there. So don't go
Sir,
into
try on someone else now.
that. Why? No, I don't want to. I
Smart.
promote these activities here.
Sir,
Okay,
in
so
future,
yes. So trying this is not a genuine idea. After the sessions, you can try. And if any website is made for the testing purpose, that is a worthless to test over them. So after that, like all these activities can be done by HPing also. But if you are doing with HPing, it needs a some laptop resources also. So if you are having some uh, yes, on a one machine, try. And if you are like after that, we are having our HPing. So let me discuss HPing. So in this case, HPing is also a damn powerful tool. Like it has more options. No, Ultra DDoS I'm not going to try. But yeah, HPing I will be trying that. Let me open my yes. So now we will be using HPing. And I think my voice is clear, and the issue is with mic only. I will be testing that, and I will be trying to fix that out. So now the next tool we are going to discuss is HPing. Some other tools I will be also coming to them, but first need to discuss HPing. So HPing, like when you go with this ISB.exe, that is a basically GUI based tool, but HPing is a complete command line packet crafting tool, and basically used for a network security auditing and testing also. And if that tool is for a testing, it means it's for a genuine purpose. But if you are a malicious one, you will be using this for ungenuine purpose and malicious purposes also. So basically, it will allow you to send custom TCP/IP packets to the network or even any particular target to analyze their response. You can use this tool for a firewall testing. Even this tool can be used for a advanced test route, network scanning, packet crafting for penetration testing. And packet crafting means you are sending a lot of a packet to text that to test any particular website response, like how that particular website is responding for all these packets. And if that goes down, it means that website is big. So this is the main reason why this HPing tool is being made. So let me switch to HPing. It comes pre-installed in Kali Linux and even on a Paratos, I think it is pre-installed. So HPing. So this is the help menu of HPing 3, and try to remember this H. And we are having a lot of options like I for interval. We are having fast option to do a lot of attacks, like 10 packets per second. It will be sending,
But
and
can
you
we
can.
bypass the firewall by using HPing3?
Yes, yes. We are having a few parameters here also to change our IPs, to decoy our IPs, and then you can bypass the firewall. And that's why this is a damn powerful tool also. Like when you are using Ultra DDoS or when you are using ISB .exe, chances of getting caught is little high, because these are the command line based tool. And in this, if you are changing your IP address, that might get leaked also, and in some cases that might be get blocked also from using that. But when you are using HPing3, it will work perfectly fine over them. And even you can bypass, let me check, there are a few options here. I will be coming to them to how to bypass the firewall and do that. So for a basic ICMP request, like if you want to basically send some number of ICMP packet over any particular website or any particular router, you can simply put HPing 3, and then you will be giving one parameter and any particular IP address. So this is my local IP address, and I will be putting. Okay, so need to do sudo su also. Okay, so now I will be again using this particular command for. So now it has started sending ICMP echo request over the like a traditional ping, but yeah, in this only not the ping is happening. Lot of a request is being sent over there. So let me do the control C, and like 12 packet is being transmitted and no packet is being received. Like it will only send the packet, it will not receive any single packet at particular time. So that's why, like if you want to scan it with UDP packets, then you can give parameter like S scan, and like UDP you can write here. Let me change the one parameter by // UDP. So when I go with a UDP, it will start sending UDP packets over. Let me assign the ports also. -P I am assigning. And if I am going for, let me target DNS. So if I am UDP port is being assigned by UDP, and the port 53 I'm targeting, which is for the DNS, and now it is just sending a lot of UDP packets over my DNS server, and it is started. So let me do a control C, and only 8 packets was sent here. So if you want to take anyone's DNS server down, or if you want to take down the DNS server of any particular local network, if you wish, then you can continue this attack for some long period, and then you will be feeling the impact of that after some time. Then we are having fin scan. So let me check some of the more parameters also. -F you can use for track, like split the packet into the more track, and may pass the weak acknowledgement. Like if there is some firewall also installed there, then you can use -F parameter to split the packets into the more fragmented part, and then it will be bypassing those firewall also. So -Z parameter for binding that, capital Z for unbinding that, then quiet for quiet, and --flood to send the packet as fast as possible, and it basically don't shows the reply at that time. So let me target some particular website here. I'm going with some good website like google.com I'm using. Just run this scan for a long time, like 10 to 15 minutes. You will be understanding how this particular tool and how much powerful this particular tool is. It's been 3, and then I will be going for a S parameter for a DoS attack. scenarios, and then I can put flood parameter for sending packets very fast. Then I can use -v parameter for verbose. I'm using -v for verbose, and then I am assigning a port here as a port 80. Let me assign it a port 80 here, and then the IP address you can put. So I'm putting ping here. You must satisfy only the target one. Okay, ping I have written by mistake. Ping is not here. Okay, let me read that again. OTT, I can't assign ping command here. Just flood is okay. I'm removing this out. You must specify only one target. Okay, okay. I need to give a IP address here. I am putting, and I forgot the IP address of Google right now. Let me check for the IP address again. There is any issues with port number. Anyone have remember this parameter? What is what wrong I'm doing here? Yes, no. I need to change the -s and give the space in between the port. These are the issues you will be facing while loading any command. You must specify only one target. Let me clear this tab. Again, I'm opening help menu. I can remember what is the issue I'm in. Okay, so for a parameter, here is the okay, so hyphen flood send packets I very fast. Okay, I will be coming back to this. So let me go with ICMP packets only. Like HPing -1 I will be using here, and going with a flood option, and then the IP address. Let me go with that. Okay, so now ICMP flooding is being done here. Like all the ICMP floods, ICMP types of a packet. Like the target here is google.com, and lot of enormous number of ICMP packet will be going over there. Like flood parameter is indicating here any amount of packets you can share over there. So doing Control+C. So as you can see here, like around 1 CR plus packet is being delivered there. So that's much faster and quicker. Any packets goes over there whenever you are using -f parameter over them. So like for a TCP sync flooding, the same options like I is for one is for ICMP flood, and for a TCP sync flooding -s options. I think it's a capital S. So when you put -s parameter, it will be doing a sync flooding. So ICMP flooding and sync flooding I have already discussed here. Like these are the types of floods here. So yeah, it comes into the when you are doing ICMP floods, it comes under the volume based attack, and when you are doing sync flooding, it comes under the protocol based attack. So let me move back and let me check. Like it's a little late. How much packet it has sent? So right now it has sent like one CR, and a lot of a packet has been sent it over this particular target. Like that was in Google discuss, and I don't think it can be harmed by any of number of this packet. And some quick website, like many people used to create a login pages, or many people used to create some website for their small businesses to collect some people data. This website can be just damaged by this number of packet requests only. So that's why don't use DoS attack in a real. But if you are a genuine user, and if you really want to do that, then no one is going to stop you. And even it is inside the syllabus. That's why I am discussing. This was if anyone is having any landing page, and if you just do this number of sync flooding over them, that website might be getting down over there. So that's how it works. And after that, you can also send some custom TCP flags. So let me go with our custom TCP flags also. Where it went. So let me take one question. So till now, everything clear, everyone? Yes, I will be coming back to that. Don't worry. I will try to come with that. Like there can be some zombie scan also you can do, but let me go with some other attack. I even forgot what I was discussing. You can, yes, I'm coming with that also. Like you can also send some custom packets also. Like when you send some custom packet, like you can change the payload bytes also. And I'm also coming to like how you can change the IP addresses and all. So even you can change mask addresses also. I'm coming to that also. So fragmented packet. Let me check some options also for fragmented packet. Yes. So -f parameter is for fragmentation, like it will be splitting the packets into the multiple parts. So any particular firewall detection system will be not being able to understand like how much from where the packet is coming. And also I'm removing flood here, and -s parameter. I think I should take -s parameter because I will be doing a sync flooding only. And then I am assigning a port here. Let me assign port here, which is go with HTTP, and -f to do a fragmented port. Like if your packets are not being delivered, like sometime here you might be getting some error, like all the packet transmitted but not delivered. So in that case, there may be some active firewall there. So in that case, you can use -a parameter to fragment the packet, and then it will be going. Like right now, the packet is being divided into the multiple packet, and then it is being sent it over any particular time. Like it's a -a parameter basically divide the packets in multiple packets, and like one packet is being divided into multiple packet. Like here, all the packet are singly sent, but here all the packet has been divided over particular sizes, and then they are being sent. So it's a little slow attack, but it also works. Like if there is a firewall installed there, then how you can do that and how you will be doing that. So that's how. And also someone were saying like you can also send some IP spoof protection. Like you can also send some you can spoof your IP and you can send the packet also. Like for that you can use -a parameter, and then flood random port. Like you can also let me check like if there is option for random ports flooding. Set virtual MTUs. I have not discussed, but after the class, like there are a lot of options to discuss. After the class, try to go through some of the left options also. That will be helping you a lot. So I was into like you can also spoof your MAC address, and then you can send some packets. Like if you want to spoof your MAC, then there may be options to spoofing your MAC addresses and IP addresses. And because I don't have any notes to check there, like where is the options for them? Spoof. Any option for spoof? Yes, yes. -a for spoof the address, source address. So -a options you can use to spoof your IP addresses whenever you wish. And a spoof MAC might be here also. Let me check once again if it is sent. Anyone see where is the spoof MAC? Visual is it's visible to all of you? I'm unable to see a spoof MAC. Okay, so -a, I will not be using -a. I will be simply writing -spoof, and then MAC I will be using to any random MAC addresses I will be using to send the packet. And let me check it with. So I will be using HPing. The target will remain same. And I'm just minimizing some of the part, and then -s parameter, and then the port will remain same as a port 80, because it's and I'm using a spoof parameter, a spoof MAC parameter to change the MAC address. Similarly, you can use -a parameter here. Like instead of using a spoof MAC, you can use -a parameter to spin here. Okay, so a spoof MAC is not working, I think here. Spoof MAC. Okay, so I need to change it with a MAC address, and then I like if you wish to like this particular attack will only work on a MAC address, like on the basis of IP address. Like this attack will only working over a local area network, and for a spoof MAC you need to share any spoof MAC address, like any random MAC address, like 00 colon. Let me write it by 00 colon 111 colon 22 AA, it will be also okay. I need to give colon here. Then 77 I can. And you can change it by any particular MAC address. This is a random MAC address I have put it. But if you are having a target MAC address over local network, you can also spoof the MAC address, and then you can target that. So that option will be working fine for you. And after that, like for spoofing IP address, you will be using -a parameter to spoof your IP address and send them. Then uh, some other attacks. I think I have covered a lot of attacks over here. And after the class, try a few more attacks like -o options. Try to use -o also. -g options you can also use, like fragmentation off, and you can attack at that time also. -r option you can use for relative ID fields, and then -e for a sign signature. These are very common based, and I think most of these are common. After the class, try to use some of the particular, and that's how it will be doing. So string is a great tool if you are sitting it. You can also scan some you can also scan ports with string. So let me try to scan some ports so using string. So for that you can use string 3, and then you will be giving -s parameter. And let me scan for give me small p, and I will be scanning for port in between 21 to, let me give it by 43. And in between this port, I want to scan, and any particular IP I can put here. So in previously I was having Google IP and put pasting that once again. Okay. So now HP you can use like previously you also know like you can use Nmap to scan for the particular port and particular services running over the port, but all the TCP ports you can also scan using the HP. So I have giving a long range of a port like from 21 to 43 I have given. That's why it might be taking some time because it send a request and then it used to get it back. So now let me go with some minimum port. So the result finishes soon. So this time I am going with like let me maximize this. Here I will be going with few ports like from port 21 to I am going with just port 25. I'm just minimizing this one. Okay. I need to now I will be minimizing this to few number of port. Okay. So this time here the attack is being done. Like only this number of a port. Like here it's targeting a large number of port, and here all the data is just being sent it over few ports only. So this how you can target any particular ports also, and you can also scan multiple TCP ports. And if these ports are open, it will be start sending data over them. So let me stop this also, and this one I want to exit here. Okay, so this how you can basically check for multiple ports, and you can start targeting all the open port at that time. So here I was targeting with in between port 21 to port 43, and on the other terminal I was having a small range from port 21 to 25. So you can also even you can I think you can scan for like you can flood the random port also of any particular like whatever port is open, just simply send a request over there. So for that like you will be doing HP, and my target is same, that's why I'm not changing that much. And here for that for a randomization hyphen s is a common, then I will be using hyphen flood option to basically randomly send the packets, and then 3 hyphen help. Okay, so for random destination, there might be some other commands. Let me check. For okay, ran destination is a command for that. It was not working. I am just simply copying from here for that. Okay, so the command is perfectly fine. I have put it here. Yesterday it was not working. And destination. So you can change, check that parameter after the class, and then you can utilize that. In my case, it was not like I was unable to use this. In your case, it might be working perfectly fine. So just try to use this after the class. Like in this case, it will be randomly send the packet from any particular port. On any particular port, it will be trying to send the packets, and that's how it will be trying to get you take that down, or it will be sending it the request over there. So let me again check it with if it not with. Okay, so you need to specify any interface. So hyphen flood I have given here. Still, it was not working previously. On flood option, it is also not taking that. Okay, you need to specify the interface also. Let me interface. My interface might be etho here. I'm just assigning etho. Okay, one target at particular time. So let me remove the target and only go with the etho right now. Okay, so this command is not random port. Random port targeting is not working over HP. You can try at your own. It might be working at particular time. So I hope I have discussed all of these command that is being available into the HP. You can also try most of these after the class. So after that, we are having few other tool left, which is first. Let me discuss. So anyone have any issues with HP, or is all clear? Anyone having any issues, or is all clear?
Sir, it is random port or random IP?
Random port like previously we were looking for some particular port to target, like port 80 I was targeting. After that I have switched to random port, like target any port that is being opened on the particular target, but that was not working in my case. You can try to modify some of the parameter over their particular command and use that after the class. So I hope it might be working after that. So just go with that. Okay, so anyone have any issues, or should I proceed with another tool? LOIC is basically a low orbital and it's a very powerful tool. Like it's a GUI based tool to perform TCP, UDP, and HTTP requests. And basically, these tools are used for educational purposes only, and intent to help server develop and hacker defense attitudes. And this tool commonly comes without any warranty and don't try to harm anyone. Basically, these tools are commonly used for stress testing. Like if anyone have developed a website and if they are testing their website, like how much powerful their website is, so they will be installing this particular tool to do a stress testing over their website, how much powerful their website is, and it that is capable of handling the DoS attack. But if you are an attacker, why you will be using this tool for attack that if it goes down, might be it goes down if that they don't have that much of protection over them. So LOIC you can use. After that, we are having HOIC GitHub. So uh, this tool needs separate session over them. Like HOIC is also it's a more stronger it is more stronger than LOIC, and it supports the booster script for a more impact, and it can attack the multiple targets simultaneously. Like you can list a lot of a target over this particular HOIC, and you can after starting your Phoenix server, you can launch it over a multiple target. Previously, all the tool we can target only few. If you are targeting one target, then only one target you can target at a particular time. But if you are using HOIC, you can go with a multiple target. You can set a range of a target at a single time, and you can basically launch attack over them. Then we are having slow iris. I may have discussed regarding this little bit. Slowloris. Okay, I think this is the right spelling. So slow iris. You can also go with that. Low bandwidth DOS attack. So and I think it also comes pre-installed with GitHub. So pre-installed with Kali Linux. So let me check on a Kali machine. It's available or not. Okay, so now the slow iris is being trying to install slow iris. It was not pre-installed, but now it has installed. So let me open the slow iris. Okay, so this is how Slowloris look like, and you can it's also a powerful tool for a DoS attack, and most of time it will be doing a TCP based attack over any particular server, on any particular port or any particular server. It will be doing a TCP based protocol attack. Even for HTTP targeting, you can use that, and this is also more capable. So a small task from my side, use slow IDs over any particular target and make a report of them and submit over your particular group on Black Hat. So one one task you can do, like huge submit in your group, or even now you all know my new WhatsApp number, so submit that particular report over my WhatsApp, what you analyze and how you have performed and what are the commands you have used for that particular attack. So try to use slow IDs and go that, like if you are not on a Kali Linux, if you are on a Kali Linux, that package doesn't comes pre-installed, so you can also simply put apt install slow iris and it will be installed. But now it is pre-installed, I have already installed previously, like a few minutes back I have installed, so it is installed. And if you are on your system it's not installed, simply put this apt install command, and you can also go with sudo apt get installed to download this package. And if that is not working, like if you are using another Linux, then just go with this git clone link, or just clone this from a GitHub, and from there you can, even you can download the zip file of this particular tool and go with that. So try to go through slow iris and use that. We can start making a lot of HTTP requests using this tool. We can send a headers periodically every 50 seconds to keep the connection open. We never close the connection unless the server does so. So if the server closes the connection, we can create a new one, keep doing the same things, and that's how the website goes down. And this is just a
I
server
can't
to.
able to download it, sir. I can't able to install it in my machine.